Hey guys, Martin here, and today we are going to go over Volusion. It's one of my top shopping platforms for those who are trying to get into this e-commerce game and try to see if they can sell certain items, either drop shipping or you actually bring in from overseas. This storefront, it's very helpful just because they take care of most of the IT things, such as, for example, email, hosting, the actual website, the credit card processing, SSLs, and things like that that you actually need to have in order to run a successful e-commerce store. So when you go over there, for example, pricing tab, you can see it costs you only 15 bucks. I mean, this is even cheaper as some hosting companies actually offer this. For 15 bucks a month, you can load up to 100 products. 35 bucks all the way 1,000 products. In many cases, you will not even have 100 products. If you have more than that, you can see it's only 35 bucks. And you can go, and they always upgrade you once you become bigger and bigger, or you have some other issues that you want to take care of. So really, the best solution is to see how it all works. That's one of those things that Volusion has, and it's very simple to set up. On the right corner, you can see try it free. Once you click this try it free, you can fill it out right away. And once you click submit, you will actually see a live store that you can use for 14 days free trial. That basically means you can sort of mess around and see what it offers. They will not ask for any credit card. They will have an e-commerce consultant actually call you and give you an idea how it all works. And they also have free live 24 support, which actually helps a lot. Usually when I need, for example, when I need help, I usually click on chat now. And once this window pops up, you can just click on support, put your information, domain name, type a question, and chat. They usually respond to 24/7, so it helps. So once you fill it out on a try it free, you click submit, you will end up at something like this. And this basically is your storefront. Now, it may not look like something you want, but it helps you to kind of understand how this all works. And it gives you an idea what exactly works and what doesn't, if you like it, if you feel comfortable with it, and kind of get a flow. So if you have a customer on this page, they click on a product, for example, they come to this page, shows the price, shows you free shipping. And since we logged in, you can see this little blue bar pops up, which you can click on and edit directly certain things. They have a description, and you can click on add to cart. You can even change add to cart. Then pops little things, click on view cart, and this is your cart, and for example our checkout. So it's good to go through each of these things and see how well it's designed, how well it's done, and you can see it's a very simple process. So for us to just kind of give you an idea how it all works is to really look at the admin. So you click on view admin in here. Now I'm already logged in, so I'm just gonna use my tab, and once inside the admin area, this is what you see. It's not very complex. It shows you orders almost per month, as you can see, per week, and gives you an idea of if you're selling or if you're not selling. And then you have a top 5 products. This is actually very well done, because what you can do with top 5 products is actually, if you want to run AdWords campaigns, you can try to push them more since they are selling so well, and you might have a higher profit margin, or you can go after products that are not selling so well. That's up to you, and you can test out with AdWords what works better. You have a top 5 categories in here as well. It gives you an idea where people click in the most and where people click in the less. So if I have a category that's only, for example, 200 clicks versus 1,000 clicks, I will look into it, what is going on. Maybe my page is not optimized correctly. I need to add more text and things like that. And then you have a trends around. So the benefit of Volusion, what it has, it offers for example, under orders, is customer calls you and says, you know what, I don't trust these e-commerce sites, I want to place orders with you directly. Well, all you can do is click on phone orders once in admin and take the order directly through the backend. You can create a new customer, email, password. Basically, you just walk them through. What's your card name? What is the name? Then you go through email. You don't have to search brand new customer, and it gives you address, billing, and shipping. You can select it and so on, and then apply tax and credit cards. You can make notes and place order. The best solution I have usually is to, once you set up and everything's done, you feel comfortable, place one little order for yourself. You can always refine it and see how it all works. It gives you a better overview of the Volusion system, what it offers. Then as the customers, it offers a very well CRM system. Now you're gonna see customers once you have them in here. You have accounts. It gives you, for example, here's me that I created, and then it adds basically customers as well in here once you go through the system, once you start having customers. Now the tabs you're going to be working the most is inventory, and you're going to learn from products and categories. It also offers import-export function. This is actually very well done as far as if you need to export this and, for example, correct any meta tags or any SEO issues that you see on your website. But for us, really, we can really quickly look at products and how it's all set up. This is a very simple thing to do. Let's just start over and just say we want to really add a product. So click on Add Product, and once you do, you can type in name. For example, test. Code test. Now code is actually SKU number, and the reason they use code is because some customers bring their products from overseas and they just call it a code. Some manufacturers, if you drop it, they require a SKU number. So you can say test, and you can, for example, say, you know, manufacturer is SKU 1234. So this is your code, this is the manufacturing code, and you can have both in one just for you, basically. Price, you know, $19.99, and weight, let's just say 2 pounds. Now the weight is needed in here, and there's a few reasons. You can put 0, of course, that's estimated free shipping all the time, or 2. The 2 basically, or any number you actually, the product actually how much it weighs. With weight is it automatically calculates the shipping cost at the end if you have UPS, FedEx, or USPS service. It connects to their API that pulls your rates directly. So if you decide that you need to charge shipping for, let's just say, 40 pounds plus, then you can designate for the Volusion system, and it will automatically accurately calculate the shipping cost for you. Description wise, it's very simple, just description, not that complicated. Just describe the product. Don't try to copy exactly what a manufacturer gives you if you are actually doing drop shipping, because you will have lots of duplicate content that Google doesn't like, and your store will not be ranking. Every single time you add a product, make sure you rewrite the description, you rewrite the whole thing, and it gives you better perspective of Google search ranking. Category is very simple. Just click on create new categories. If we don't have one, we call it test. Now we make show in menu, navigation menu 1. Now there's lots of navigation menus that you can use for the coding, but the ones for example doesn't have not used in the current template, you just leave it as it is and you click save. Now there's 2 save buttons, a little confusing, but always click the smaller one and then click the save button in here. Okay, so there we go, refreshes itself. Now we are gonna click on live. There's our product test. Now we don't have a category yet, and we're gonna fix that situation. We are going to inventory and categories. So you can see there's a category we added called test. All we have to just drag it a little bit up until it shows in here. Oops, we actually put in a beauty, I believe, or gourmet food. There it is. It's a little tricky sometimes. There we go, test. So we're gonna reload this page, and there's our test right here. As you can see, when I click it, then I have the product that we created called test. So this is very simple thing to do. The admin part, really what you have to just learn is a product and categories. It's not a complicated really. Once you create it in here, you can kind of see all products queued for PO and things like that. Your products usually end up always, well, actually it's categorized by name right now, so we can actually make it little grid in here. Let's reload this, and it gives you a better overview, because right now what you can do, you can just click on delete and things like that, and right away it deletes the products without you basically doing manually. So with this product, it's very simple. So let's click on this product code, and the images in here, for example, they have the price, they have a weight 0, so you can kind of leave it empty. Image management is basically just click the image, add, and right away just click on browse and pick a picture and upload it. You have also YouTube video if you want to add a YouTube videos and things like that. So really you're looking at 2 categories in here. Later on we can go over the options and things like that, how to do it right. Now they do have a more enhanced store features, and they allow also Facebook store. You can also sell on Amazon and eBay as well, and then also coupons and discounts that few customers may be requesting. Every single time you can designate how to do it. For example, you click it, discount value is 10, ID 1% off, percent of a product. Now there are different things in here. You can do dollars, percentage, entire order, free shipping on entire order, and things like that, really what needs to be done. So as you can see, it's a very simple little system. It doesn't take lots of time to think about it. Discount name is the name that people will be typing into the system once it goes through. And as far as dashboard, everything else, as far as settings, shipping costs and taxes, if you require taxes, every single time make sure you do have free shipping. Free shipping should be an option basically every single time. It's already selected for you. As you can see, here's a live rates. You can add carrier. This is what they accept as of right now, and it helps you to hook it up live to API feeds and pull the exact rates. You can have a flat rates, or you can actually have, for example, special rates. And you can see special rates, few things like that need to be set up. But really, what you're going to be using is mostly free shipping and live rates, and you can designate exactly how that works. I don't have a live rate set up yet, but it tells you the steps. So you just open it, select a carrier, and it gives the idea. Register with UPS, register here with FedEx. You just click every single link, and you just basically add it as they tell you. So they give you an idea of what needs to be done to get your rates going. Here's ROI tracking. It's one of my favorite reports because well, let's try this. Group title test and group name test 2. Add new, days to track is 7. And once you come in here, it gives you this little thing, click for. And what this one does actually, once you have a URL, so this is your URL. It's very long right now because of free store, but ultimately will be yourwebstore.com/?click=4. And every single time you copy this, for example, for your AdWords campaign per each keyword or how you want to do it, it tracks exactly what is working for you. You will see conversion rates and things like that in here. Most recent sales to clicks, total sales, and conversion rate to see how well your stores are performing. So instead of using third-party tracking softwares out there, you can actually use this ROI tracking tool to easily track what is working for you and what not. So let's just say somebody comes to you, hey, you know, we can put your banner ad on our website for $200 a month. You say sure. You just provide this URL to them, and then you can exactly see how many clicks you're receiving, if it actually makes sense for you to use that banner advertising to your benefit. But there's a few things that hopefully you guys kind of understand a little bit. I would suggest going through this store to check it out, what you can do. They are very helpful at Volusion. I recommend this 100%. It's very safe. They take care of most of these things. They are very helpful. They have a live chat as well. When you go to their main page, for example, and you click chat now, a little box pops up, and they're available 24/7, which I like a lot because sometimes you may have questions how to set up colors or things like that. If you'd like to know more, just leave me a message below this video, and I can go each feature or whichever you guys prefer to go through. So thank you guys, and have a good day.